In the second part of this three-part series on the relationship between artificial intelligence, AI, and humanity, we will take a look at the current state of AI and the ways in which it is being used in various industries today. We will also examine the challenges and opportunities that come with the development and implementation of AI technology, and discuss the ethical and societal implications that need to be considered as the field continues to evolve. The current state of AI is characterized by the widespread use of deep learning algorithms, which have led to significant breakthroughs in areas such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. These advancements have enabled the development of various AI-powered applications that are being used in various industries to improve efficiency and productivity. One of the most significant areas where AI is being used is healthcare. AI-powered medical imaging systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and CT scans, to assist in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. For example, Google developed an AI system that can detect breast cancer in mammograms with an accuracy that is on par with that of experienced radiologists. AI-powered systems are also being used to predict the likelihood of diseases, such as Alzheimer's and heart disease, and to assist also being used by retailers to improve customer service and provide personalized recommendations to shoppers. According to a report from McKinsey, AI-powered automation has the potential to increase the efficiency of retail operations by up to 60%. In the manufacturing industry, AI is being used to optimize production processes and improve the quality of products. For example, GE uses AI-powered systems to analyze sensor data from industrial equipment to predict when maintenance is needed, which helps the company reduce downtime and improve efficiency. According to a report from Deloitte, the use of AI in manufacturing has the potential to increase productivity by up to 30%. The transportation and logistics industry is also being impacted by AI. Self-driving cars and drones powered by AI are being developed to improve transportation efficiency and safety. For example, Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet, is developing self-driving cars that are currently being tested on public roads in several cities in the US. According to a report from Boston Consulting Group, the use of AI in the transportation industry has the potential to increase efficiency by up to 30%. As we can see, AI is having a significant impact on various industries and has the potential to bring about significant economic and societal benefits. However, as with any new technology, there are also challenges and ethical concerns that need to be addressed. One of the major challenges facing the field of AI is the issue of bias. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the data used to train an AI system is biased, the system will also be biased in its predictions and decisions. This can lead to unfair and unjust outcomes, particularly in sensitive areas such as criminal justice and healthcare. Another challenge facing the field of AI is the issue of job displacement. As AI systems become more advanced and capable, they may replace human workers in certain jobs. This could lead to significant job losses and economic disruption, particularly for low-skilled workers. According to a report from PwC, 38% of jobs in the US are at risk of being displaced by AI and automation by the early 2030s. The field of AI also raises significant ethical concerns, such as issues related to transparency, accountability, and control. For example, there is a concern that advanced AI systems may become uncontrollable and act in ways that are harmful to humans. Additionally, as AI systems become more integrated into society, there is a concern that they may be used for malicious purposes, such as surveillance and manipulation. To address these challenges and ethical concerns, it is important for the field of AI to be guided by a set of ethical principles. For example, the IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems has developed a set of ethical principles for AI systems, which include fairness, accountability, transparency, and safety. Additionally, organizations and governments must work together to develop regulations and guidelines for the development and deployment of AI systems. In conclusion, the current state of AI is characterized by the widespread use of deep learning algorithms, which have led to significant breakthroughs in areas such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. These advancements have enabled the development of various AI-powered applications that are being used in various industries to improve efficiency and productivity. However, as the field of AI continues to evolve, it is important to address the challenges and ethical concerns that come with the development and implementation of this technology. Thank you for watching the second part of this series. In the final part, we'll dive deeper into the relationship between AI and humanity, discussing the ethical and moral questions that arise when we create machines that can think and act like humans. Thanks for watching.